traditional pond with pretty poor circulation, not a very good waterfall, into a full ecosystem pond with jets, biofilters in the waterfall, intake bay, the all-important intake bay, and get the shape better so we get better circulation. And at the moment we're just clearing it all out. So as you can see, we've pretty much reshaped it. It's taken about one working day and a bit more. It has rained, so as ever the site gets a lot more mucky when it rains. Got a nice rounded shape, circulation, some good shells, lovely intake bay here which is going to suck in all the debris, all the solids like leaves, and the waterfall at the top, which is at the moment 2-tier. That's what we're aiming to get. So on we go.
Just getting the underlay and liner in. I think Dad's just cutting some extra underlay for this area because it's very, very crumbly soil, so we're going to try and retain it using some more underlay. As you can see, it's, you know, if you put weight on that it would probably cave in on itself, so hence the extra underlay.
So, with water feature and pond building, we're always scratching ahead, standing around, trying to work out which rock of, you know, the 500 in front of us ought to go where. We're often looking at pictures on our phones of real wild streams and waterfalls to give us inspiration. It's not a case of just chucking rocks in. I know some people do that, but you know, you're rarely going to get the right result with that. Because although nature may seem chaotic and higgledy-piggledy, there are sort of patterns in there that we're looking for and looking to follow. We're often standing around scratching heads, and clients probably think, blimey, what are they doing? They aren't doing anything. It's just, I'd say the mental side is more draining than the physical side of this strange occupation. Good morning everyone. It is, well, it might not be morning where you are, it's morning here. Start of day 5 and digger and dumper go back later, so we're in a bit of a rush to get the rocking in done before they go back in case we need to bring a lot of soil through. So we're going to try and get that entire shelf rocked in today, get the intake bay skimmer finished off, button up the waterfall, and then tomorrow is going to be all about the edge work, which generally takes us about a day to do properly. So yeah, wish us luck.
Yes, what's that?
With rocking in, what we're always looking to do is step them, so they start in the base of the pond, quite far out from the pond wall, and they gradually step backwards up towards the upper perimeter. That way you get a lot more stability, holds all the soil back.